Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your student discount on Spotify, follow these step-by-step instructions to save on your music subscription. Step 1. Open your web browser and visit the Spotify student page or go directly through the Spotify app on your mobile device. Step 2. Click on the Get Started button to begin the verification process for your student discount. Step 3. Log in to your existing Spotify account or create a new account if you don't have one yet. Step 4. Select your country and enter your educational institution's name in the search field when prompted. Step 5. Spotify will redirect you to ShareID, a third-party verification service, where you'll need to provide proof of enrollment, such as your school email address or upload a document like your student ID. Step 6. Complete the verification form by providing all required information, including your date of birth and school details. Step 7. Wait for verification confirmation, which usually happens within a few minutes, but can take up to 24 hours in some cases. Step 8. Once verified, you'll be redirected back to Spotify, where your student discount will be automatically applied to your account, and you can start enjoying premium at the discounted rate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.